Hey everybody, Varun here once again from 𝘂𝗽𝗍𝗀𝗃 Academy. Guys, very proud to have Chhaya with me today. She has smashed her NAATI Hindi exam, very first attempt, and she has scored 79.5 out of 90. Yes, not in PTE NAATI, 79.5 out of 90, and it's a dream score. We rarely see scores like this. Chhaya, very well done. For you, it was not about passing the test. You were aiming for perfection. You were doing very good in the classes. But I would like to know, and a lot of students out there who are preparing for the NAATI exam, they want to know as well, what is the most crucial factor to get a score like this?
I would say that classes really helped me, and the mock test also helped me a lot. And attending regular classes is also a fact that if you're in all the classes, you cover all the topics, and of course your way of teaching and like doing vocabulary in class and everything. And also Sugandha also, I also learned a lot of things from her. Like she used to check our notes, what you are doing, what you're not doing, and her way of explaining things. So I would say the classes are the important part.
So you have taken a number of mock tests as well, right? And you took a number of mock tests before your exam as well, and you were kind of very nervous when you used to sit for the mock test. How important are mock tests to smash NAATI? Because in the exam you only have 10 minutes, right? And in those 10 minutes you have to control everything. How important are mock tests?
So mock tests are very important. Before exam, like before a few weeks of exam, they are important to know at what level you are. And just before the exam, like one day before, I was very nervous. I was shivering, but you encouraged me a lot that I can do it. So at that point, we come to know like how prepared we are. So it gives us a chance to know how well we are prepared for our exam.
So you basically come to know that what are the things you need to be very careful and what mistakes you are making, right?
Yeah.
Any advice for students who are taking the exam in October or any time this year? Any advice for them so that they can also get a score like you did?
Yeah, sure. I'll say that you should regularly come to the classes, and you should ask your doubts, clear your doubts with the teachers, and they should also contact you, especially because you encouraged me a lot. I know I was very much nervous. I was like I couldn't do. That day I can't explain. So I will say that they should take advice from you.
That's right guys, make sure you keep on practicing. NAATI is all about making sure that how well you are prepared, what are the things you need to focus on, practice vocabulary, and make sure you are regular to the classes. That is one of the key factors towards your success in the NAATI exam. All the very best guys, keep on practicing and you'll smash your exam like she did. Thanks guys.